Hey guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. My name is Nenchyna and welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. So for today's video, what am I going to be talking about? It's a log video. But before I get started, I would like to thank everyone for tuning in. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back to another video. First and foremost, you guys, let's get it out the way. I know, I just came from work and I really try to do a quick little beat, but for some reason it turned out so horrible. Like my face looks so cakey, and I try to fix it, but it was just done with. So I'm just like, you know what, whatever. So this is what we gonna get. This is what y'all gonna get. I'm sorry my face is not, up to par, but this is what y'all gonna get for today. Okay, it's been a very busy week. It is Wednesday. I was supposed to post a video today, but I was so busy this week with work and everything else that I didn't have time to record a video for you guys. So I'm doing it right now on Wednesday. So so today's video is going to be about my locks. So here, I'm gonna take them out so you guys can actually see. So as you guys can see, my hair looks, it looks retwisted, right? It looks retwisted. I did a ACV rinse on it, let me see, on Sunday. Yeah, so because I washed and retwisted it on Sunday. So this is how it turned out, you guys. So I did not do the regular palm retwist. I actually did the interlocking. I know, you guys. So you guys know how I was saying how I'm still not really sure if I'm going to be, just doing the interlocking for a while, or if I should, stick to just palm rolling, because I kind of like both of them because they both have their own benefits. I'm not sure if I have a video on that, but I might do a video on like the benefits of palm roll versus interlocking and vice versa. So I might do a video of that, but I kind of like both of them. I like both of them for certain reasons, and I just couldn't really pick. And because I really love how my hair look when I do get it interlocked. Like when I get my hair interlocked, I know for a fact that it's going to last me at least a few weeks. I know for a fact, sweat or not, if I wash it or not, the retwist will stay. Like it should stay. Of course it's not gonna be perfect like the first day you got it done, but it should look better than what you started with, you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna just go around and show you guys how the retwist looks, so that you guys can have an idea of how interlocking hair looks like. I said hair, locks. I hope you guys can see them. All right, you guys. So I was supposed to actually record me interlocking my hair because where did I put it? I was supposed to record myself interlocking my hair because I was going to try a new technique, because y'all know when I first did the interlocking, I did it with my hand, with my fingers. So I bought this is interlocking tool that I saw a lot of people use on YouTube. I'm like, okay, this looked pretty simple enough. You just stick your locks in there, and then hold on, just like that. That's another thing too. Okay, so you just stick your lock in there and then pull it all the way up there so that it can stay. So I'm like, okay, this looks pretty simple, So first, I made a lot of mistakes with this, you guys. First, I think this was a little too small because I honestly did not know they had sizes, but they do have sizes, like depending on the thickness of your locks. Some locks fit, like this one, it fits because, it fits because it's skinnier than the other ones. But a lot of my locks, my end part are very bulky, so like it wouldn't fit through. And that's one mistake that I made. So I would say before you even buy it, kind of eye out your locks and measure it out to see if this tool will actually fit your locks. Honestly, if I really wanted to, I could I could have used this and really just did, you know, but I just didn't want to like really force it in. That's number one. That's one of the things that I kind of not messed up, but like, well, yeah, I messed up on, is the wrong size of the two. Another thing is, I don't know if it was because my hand was so slippery, because I put a lot of, because I had just washed my hair, so I put the oils in my hair and stuff like that. My hand was very oily, so it just wouldn't work. I don't know if it's okay. I don't know if this method is like a method where like you have to have someone do it for you. I think, I don't know, because I really tried it. I was trying, like my hand was hurting. I was trying to like, you know, get the hair underneath and everything. It was just not working, y'all. Like it was not working. Like it kept them sliding off, or it just wouldn't go through the hole, you know. And it's funny because yesterday I saw Keisha Charmaine. She did a video on that, how she interlocked her mom's hair and her hair with this too. And she has very long hair. Like her hair is like past her bottom, so it's like, you know, because in my head I was like, okay, maybe my hair is too long, or is it too thick, or I don't know, but like she used it fine and it was no problem. It was so easy. So in my head I'm just like, maybe I need to buy another tool, or maybe I just need to practice a little bit on it. I don't know, I'm not really sure, but I know for a fact I'm not gonna give up yet. I know, because I'm a person where like I will get it done. Like I will find a way, and I will, like, you know, even if I have to try over and over again, I'm going to get it, because I feel like using this, it will save, you know, a lot of time. Okay, guys, it would save more time, because, you know, because you got to keep on, you know, it especially interlocking, your hair takes a while, you guys. It takes a while. It takes time, more time than, you know, palm rolling. So I feel like this would have really speed up the process. Yeah, because that was what this original video was supposed to be about you using this technique to see, you know, if it worked and how it turned out and stuff, if I liked it better. But we never got to it because it didn't work for me. Okay, another way I saw people did, give me a second, guys. All right, y'all, so another technique that I saw people did was use this crochet needle. For some reason, it just looks easier when the people are doing it on YouTube than how it really is. Because in my head, I'm like, this about to be a piece of cake, you know. And then once I start doing it, I'm like, I keep on getting stuck. It's not going through. And then when I put the hair under, when I attach the hair, it's not staying, and then it's not going. I was like, this is too much. And this way, I feel like this way is a little bit more redundant. It's like you're doing it over, like you have to stick it in and take it out. I feel like this way is a little bit more tedious, honestly. If anything, I would prefer this way, because it's like, I feel like you just have to put it in once and then just pull, you know, go in, you know, in whatever direction you want. But this one, you have to stick it in, you know, latch it and pull it out each time, in which I think that takes a lot of time, especially if you have a lot of locks. That would take too long. So I feel like this way, I wasn't really gonna do, I just wanted to try to see if it works, but I had a hard time with that, you guys. It kept on getting stuck everywhere. I don't know if it's because I was doing with the back of my hair and I couldn't really see what I'm doing. I don't know. It was just a mess, y'all. Like I got so frustrated. I'm like, you know, I'm not doing this video no more. This is it, you know. So I just decided to just do it the first way that I usually did it, which was to just use my hand. And I mean, it worked out pretty fine too, guys. Like it worked out fine. Like here's the back of my hair. Like I think it worked out pretty fine. Yeah, guys. Yeah, like I think it worked out just fine. But it just took a while because I had to put it in, and it took a while, yeah. But yeah. So am I going to be retwisting, you know, each time doing the interlocking? I would say no. I think I'm going to like switch here and there, you know, because especially the interlocking, I'm not going to do it like every month. I'll probably do it like every 2 or 3 months, you know, depending on how much new growth I have, because now all of this is pretty much locked because it's interlocked, you see. all this part is pretty much locked because, well, not locked, but like, you know, it's not just there, like as in like if you did like a retwist, like a palm roll retwist, you know, all you did was just literally just twist the hair, like, you know, twist it, and then that was it. The hair was not locked. So as soon as you wash it, or if it get, you know, if you start sweating, it's gonna come out and you're gonna see all the new growth. But with this, like, it basically keep the hair in place, and then over time, of course, it's gonna start to look like you know, more like a lock, like, you know, form and all that stuff. But for now, like, it's pretty much locked, guys. You see all this part, this from here to here was how much new growth I have. And I know in certain part of my head, I had like locks that had like literally like this much new growth that was just not locking, you know, it was just not locking. So this wave really helped to like speed up the locking process, because when you interlock, I mean, when you palm roll, you literally just roll the new growth. It doesn't really lock, you know. It takes, and also it takes time for those, you know, new growth to actually lock in place. You have to leave them alone for a while for them to actually lock, you know. So I really like this process. I mean, my only problem was that, you know, over time, like, will my hair thin out, will it fall off, you know, and stuff like that. And I mean, I did a little research, and you know, basically they're saying that, you know, if you do it the right way, if you're not retwisting it or doing it, you know, constantly, like every you know, month or every week or every 2 weeks, I feel like, you know, your hair should have, especially if you have like a strong foundation, if your hair can handle it, if your hair is thick enough and, you know, good enough. Not good enough, that's not a good word to use, but I feel like it could handle it, you know. So right now my hair looks fine. Like, I don't think they're thinning out, but of course I'm going to really just keep an eye on my roots and my hair to make sure that, you know, it's growing out like the rest of them. It's not like thinning out, you know, at the root and stuff, because I don't want that. But for now, it looks fine. It doesn't look like it's thinning out. It looks pretty good. So I'm going to continue doing it unless I see something wrong, and unless I see a major difference where, like, whoa, it's like very thinning out. Then of course, I'll stop and just do palm rolling, you know. But for now, I think they look pretty good, you guys. Like, they look really, really good. And I just love the fact that even if I go to the gym and sweat and all that thing and all that stuff, my hair is going to stay in place. You know, this part will not unravel. It's gonna stay just like that. So next time when I wash my hair and stuff, I'll probably do like a slight retwist, so that, you know, if I want my parting texture so it looks nice, then okay, I'll do that. But after, once you wash your hair and stuff like that, the twist just comes out again, you know. So I'll probably do a next interlocking maybe in 2 months again. I'm not really sure, until I have enough new growth for me to actually, you know, interlock, you know, you guys. So for now, I guess I'm an interlock girl. I don't know, I guess an interlock okay, I'll say semi interlocking, because I'm still gonna do some maintenance with the palm rolling. I'm just gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna see how the texture looks, how it's forming, so that I can know for sure if I want to continue doing the palm rolling, you guys. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I was gonna try to style my hair on camera for you guys, but this video is getting a little long, and I don't want it to be too long, so I'm probably just gonna stop right here. I'll probably style it off camera. It's not gonna be anything crazy. It's just I wanted to put them on the side and stuff and do a low key style, so I'll probably do that off camera and just show you guys a picture at the end or something like that. Okay, so yeah, you guys, I'm gonna do another 360 of my hair, and then that'll be the end of this video. All right, you guys, so let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys think I should continue with the, like, let me know if you guys think I should continue with the interlocking, or if you guys think it's a you know, what, like, just let me know what you guys think, if you guys like it, like the result or not. Okay, so yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I look crazy. Like, yeah, I'm really trying. And look, y'all, I did my own nails all by myself, press on, and then I put my little dip powders. And let me know if y'all want me to start doing nail videos too, because I do my own nails, you guys. Most of the time I do my own nails. So if you guys are interested, let me know about that too. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see y'all on my next video. Bye, guys. All right, y'all, so this is my hair. I just did, it's just, I don't know how the back look, you guys, but this is what I kind of wanted to go for this week. So yeah, and I did my little edges, y'all. So yeah, guys, so I'll take some pictures and add some pictures or some or whatever. But oh, that piece of hair. Thank you, guys.